Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another super special video, guys, coming live and clear from this special area in Mombasa, Kenya, Bamburi area to be specific. And this day today is another day. It's a special day, as you all know. It's of course Valentine. Happy Valentine! Happy Valentine! Recently it was just a happy new year, and now it's happy Valentine. It's party after party. Thank God this Valentine just got me here, because if it couldn't have gotten me here, it could be some special. Safi Juma. Yeah, if this Valentine actually couldn't have gotten me here, it could be another story. CJ, why didn't you go and just surprise your wife on Valentine Day? As of course, to some people, Valentine Day means a lot. To some people, Valentine Day is just a normal day as other days. Like me, it could be a normal day like other days. But for sure, for real, for everything, we always say it's a special day because now I'm digitalized. Let me know in the comment section, what do you cherish Valentine Day as other days, or do you cherish Valentine Day as a very special day? Of course, let's go with the slogan. Let's go with the flight. Let's go with what you call like with the air, how it blows. If it blows this way, let's go with it, but we go with it in a special way. What does it mean to be to have Valentine? What does it mean? Please comment down below. Who is this guy called Valentine? What did he do, or what did she do on this date, on 14th of February? You know, February has a lot of things, and it's one of the year of the month that is shorter but longer. February might have 90 days, and it's only 28 days, on 29 days, but it can sum up to 90 days because it goes slowly as January. But the moment we finish this February, we'll be already at New Year's place. We'll be already at December. We'll be already at just celebrating some of these special days that are well known worldwide. As you see, it's very cool right now because everybody is at the house and it's so sunny, and everybody is just enjoying and saying, hey man, what is it, what's up, que paso? One thing I love about this place is, even if it's dry season, we still have some very green indigenous trees, and when it rains, absolutely the greenery increases, which is very good and very nice. So let's try and see what's happening on this end. And I have a very special moment for my family today. Of course, I'm around here with family, and people will be asking, Cloud, why every day family first, family over everything? Have you ever heard that? Family over everything? But of course, we're not going to say so. Let's just try and see what's happening. Actually, I want to do some small surprise for the family, but watch this video to the end, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think, because with me, I'm doing it according to what I have, and according to how I feel, and according to how the financial status will take me. I could have just booked a flight and tell them we can just fly to Nairobi and come back, or fly to the village and come back. Some this time are just doing what we call like taking their lovely ones somewhere, and they're telling them, oh man, enjoy, order what you want. Some are telling their loved ones, man, you know what, for now you are constructing, just have these 10 bags of cement. Some man from somewhere just saved all the way through to just say, my lovely wife, have a small car like that is parked over there, which is a good thing, which is a special way. Actually, it depends with how. That's why I started by saying it depends with how you are celebrating this time. I was told it's a celebration for the loved ones, but only special loved ones. Is it true? With me, guys, I love you all, and that's why I'm wishing you happy Valentine to you all. I know you love me, and I know you cherish me, and of course I cherish you too, and that's why I'm wishing you all a happy Valentine time. The only thing that I can dedicate to you, the only thing that I can dedicate to you is this song. Happy Valentine to you, all my subscribers and followers. I love you more than you do, so please subscribe to me. I could have sung, but that's the short way to sing and dedicate this song to you. And of course I said I love you all. So let's just go downwards, and we want to see what's happening. I was just shooting this video from the rooftop over here because that's the best way, or the best place. Sorry, I was wiping the best place. And also on this end we have a school, we have a homestay and everything on this other end, so don't get shocked. So today we'll be bouncing like to the bamboo forest. Tap 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 tap. Let me know in the comment section, how did you do this? Is it a must? I was told if you do this you have to put on a red trouser or a red shirt or a red anything red to symbolize love. And roses, we have roses, and roses red, we have yellow roses, but with me I chose this. I chose just a random thing. It was on the budget today to be put on this way. It was a random to put on yellow. No, I just went to the wardrobe and picked it, put it on, and of course I remembered, oh no, it's a Valentine Day, and of course let's try and see how this Valentine Day is, because I have more of loved ones around. I have my sister-in-law, I have my sister, I have my wife, of course. So we have to all do it at once, because if I could have taken my sister out, my wife could complain, my sister-in-law could complain. If I could take my wife out, my sister could complain, my sister-in-law could also complain. So the best thing is for me to just do what we call like to maybe prepare something special for them, then let them celebrate, then we can just maybe go out, because I don't have a car. My car is a motorbike. I can ferry one from one place maybe to the beach, and we can see. But where this video will end, please make sure you subscribe and watch it to the end. And lastly, don't forget to don't skip the ad. If you skip the ad, hey, you have killed me completely. So the best way is, everybody's asleep right now. My sister recently went to school. Yeah, she went to school. She's still a student, and also me, also I'm still a student, because also life is not going as I expected. So life is still, I'm still under the lessons of life. So life is taking me through education, or educating me through life situations. So also my sister is at school right now. So, and when she comes, she wanna help me do what we are doing around here. But for now, I'll be introducing you to my wife and also to my sister-in-law, and they tell you how they feel on this occasion day. Watch this video to the end, right? And let's check and see what's happening. We go. Happy. I wanted to sing happy birthday to you, but I remember it's not a happy birthday. I wanted to sing I wish you a Merry Christmas, but I remember it's not a Merry Christmas, and I had to sing, you know, if it could be a special day, very, very special day, you couldn't be seeing those students at school. Some of the people at work could be given what we call like could be given leaves for this special day, but because people assume it's the best and special day, let's go with the flow. You couldn't be seeing a teacher like that over there, because he could have gone to celebrate with his or her wife. And the other way is the government also recognizes this, but still they force people to go out to work. Let me know in the comment section, did your government allowed you to celebrate your Valentine Day from your work? That's the big question. All right, let's check what's happening. music. Kuna wale, kuna wao, kuna mimi Yusufu, Yusufu. You know, sometimes listening to music is so okay and so amazing. But so Tanzanian music. You know, sometimes music is medicine. On the other end, it's so great. That guy sings, Gari pesa sina, nimona nakueleza mchumba. That guy just tried to sing through a lady because the lady just wanted everything and the guy never had what he wanted. So the guy decided to just pass a message through singing, you know. You know, sometimes I don't know what's the love language for girls. Sometimes you just assume that you know, but you find yourself not doing anything, because some girls, man, it's crazy for you to understand them. I just said some, don't say girls. Some girls, it's crazy for you to understand them because you might not know their love language, you know, mostly. So you have even to just do something crazy for you just to pass a message to them so that they can understand. Like that guy called, is it Somokweli? Somebody like something like that sang, Jali pesa sina, ndio maana nakueleza mchumba, uwe sijui na gari ama nini, something like that, because he never wanted to just to like the girl that, oh, I have this. I'm just preparing a tea over here. I found my sister-in-law has prepared tea, so I'm just warming it. You know, it's chocolate tea. So he decided to do what you call like to sing that song. So let me just play a little bit for it so that I can translate it for you. I think he was heartbroken. So he's just telling the lady that, you know me, I'm not just like the other, I'm not like you, because I think with you are new to this love situation, because with me I can show you the real love. Huh? You know, that's how the guy was saying, I can show you the real love, but please, I don't have a car, I don't have a nyumba means house, so please, just accept me the way I am, and things will still work out. But I think the lady never understood the guy, so the guy decided to sing the song for the guy. I don't know if later on the guy accepted, but whatever it said is, it's a real life situation. The guy sang his mind. The guy really sang his mind, and I don't know if the lady accepted, but to do those days back, I don't know if the lady accepted or not. But anyway, it was part of life. With me also, I don't know if I can sing a song, but now I'm married. There's a lady who used to disturb my mind those days back. I could feel like even I could steal, but still, stealing I could have been killed. But now we are here. I'm married, happily married. So still we are jumping. It's Valentine Day. Let's listen to the music. So on Valentine's Day, CJ is taking tea with milk on Valentine's Day. So slowly by slowly, and then we wanna check on what's happening. With also bread. Don't worry about my bread, it's strength. Because it's the gradient is squeezed. It was squeezed because it was at the fridge time. Let me return the sugar. And then all is well. Welcome all guys for this special meal. And may Almighty God bless us with this. Hiya. Alright guys. See you, okay? So my lovely people, I boiled a lot of water. This is for the kitchen chicken. So I'll literally show you how this chicken kitchen are supposed to be done. With us traditionally, if you want to just remove chicken, what you call like feathers, you have to boil them. Not to boil, but to just boil a lot of water. Then it can be easy for you to remove this way. So this one, I just prepared and cook it for my lovely ones on Valentine Day. So yeah, these are chicken kitchen. So yeah, definitely. Let me just, it's so hot, oh my god. Just want to change it just this way. So hot, the water is so hot, so I can just change it that way. Then later on you can do what you call like I'll show you, because the moment you boil water this way, it gives you easy time for you to remove these feathers just this way, easily. Okay, so easily. All right, see you on Valentine time. Okay guys, it's Valentine time. Come here. Why are you hiding? Why are you running? Why are you running? Eh? Why are you running? Why are you running? So already we have our chickenino, eh? And the big chef said that, oh, I want to help you. Oh, can
no.
You don't want this?
Yes, I don't want
You don't want this. Introduce yourself there then if you don't want this.
Hi guys.
The chopping board is there.
I don't use that chopping board.
Hi guys, you show them the chicken feet so that you don't show them the chicken bam. You show them chicken feet. Eh? Happy Valentine.
Yeah.
Where's your boyfriend?
My boyfriend is Jesus Christ. He's in heaven.
Guys, today is the day you know that single people are around. Eh? Where's your boyfriend?
In heaven.
Okay, in heaven. Yes, this is my sister. She's from school right now, and she was like, "Don't struggle." Eh? So she's just trying to prepare this chicken for us. So, but it will be roasted under us because we want just to enjoy this free time instead of going out. Because so sunny, actually very sunny, and it's only that the other day we traveled from the this one bedroom house of ours, and we went very far. So they said no, we are just tired of traveling, so it's better we have our better time over here in the house. So we wanna see what's happening. So it's Valentine time, and yeah, she's preparing literally the chicken. We have 2 chicken over here. I just on my own because I love something that I'm on my own. I'm a happy hunter, so I just went to hunt this on my own. Now she's just cutting it, and we should be showing you how we are preparing this. And also let me show you. You will be my Valentine. Will you be my Valentine?
Yes or no
Answer. But the problem is today no Valentine for everyone because everybody's putting on his own. No red card. No red card.
I don't have any red color that fits me. The red color I have dress is in the village. So here I'm only wearing this because it's free and
It's free.
It's less hot. Yeah.
So the red card, no red card for you?
No red card for me.
Okay. Guys, the red cards are over today. So
Yeah.
we are here. You feel like going somewhere? Tell me. You feel like going somewhere?
Where now?
Anywhere, even Malindi back.
No, Malin is far.
Okay.
I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay in the house today.
Okay.
To be honest, yeah, I don't want to
Okay.
move.
I could have taken you back to the village if you wanted to go somewhere. I could have taken you very, very, very far
Very
away.
far?
Very far. On
No.
the motorbike.
No, that motorbike, it's a sealed case. It's not going anywhere from Mombasa to the village. We'll have to find a way.
No. We just use it to just travel around in the village up to here. From here to the village.
No, wait until when I get my bike. Then we'll be doing competitions.
Competitions.
Yeah.
And how about the baby?
The baby we have a lot of people who help us, so we can go maybe not far away. Like we can go, for example, from Migori to Nyabuhanse, just short distances.
You know what?
Once in a while.
You know what? The biggest problem is this Valentine came in a bad way
Why?
because it's a Friday
It's a Friday.
and it's a Valentine Day. So today I'll be able to shoot a nightlife for you guys. If you want to see a very nightlife in
We are going
Bangkok,
to shoot nightlife.
I will shoot a nightlife on Friday and you'll see how people party at night. You know? So is it?
Everything is
Introduce
fine.
yourself.
My name is Minhawi, for those who do not know. Very pregnant in Mombasa.
Allah.
It's
Not very motherly in Mombasa.
very pregnant. Mother is from next month. So next month you'll be calling me Mama who? Mama somebody.
Mama Claude Joseph.
Mama Claude Joseph.
Or Mama Nyabohans.
Mama Nyabuhanse.
Mama Matangazo Nyabohans.
Mama Matangazo. Mama Claude Joseph. Junior. Yeah?
Mama Claude Joseph Jr. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to, that's what's the plan. But in the meantime, I'm just here. I'm happy to have you around. It means a lot that you're around. Yeah.
So guys, let's.
We're in the house, chilling. I don't know, told me he's going to prepare me something because we're not going out anywhere. I don't want to get out personally because I'm tired. I don't want to go anywhere. So just being in the house. Only that I've not seen the flowers. He told me, oh my God.
Flowers.
Yeah, where are the flowers?
Flowers are for the bees. Flowers are for the bees.
Imagine. Right now we're having a vase of flowers up here. But I'm a bee. I sting.
You're the queen.
I'm the queen bee.
Bee.
I'm the queen bee.
But let me prepare something, then I'll buy you flowers for a surprise.
No, it's not a surprise because I've asked. Because I haven't.
No.
I expected
Do you
when
know
I
where
went with
I've
them.
just hidden the flowers?
You've been in the where?
I'm all over flower. I'm the biggest
Stop
flower
it.
ever. If you see me, you see flourishing. You see flourishment. You see yellow. That's why I put on yellow because most of the flowers are yellow. So you also put yellow. Yeah. We are the big flowers in the house.
Go away.
You relax, eh? Relax. Like, does it matter that somebody must have a flower?
Yes.
Hey, okay. And she's preparing this. So how are you cutting? This one is the hardest part to cut, to prepare actually, guys. Hey, will you help?
Not.
Will you do this on your own? Like,
Yes.
on your own?
Yes.
Let me see. For sure, for real. Let me see. If you do that, you are not a Valentine to somebody.
Why?
Because those ones who do that are typical village girls. Typical. Typical village girls. You know, typical village girls. Because they have power, they can even crack sugarcane with their bare legs.
See?
Hey, gizzard for me.
No problem. Always gizzard is for me.
Legs for you. Feet, chicken feet for you.
No, you want to give me the legs for the chicken, the legs that are walking from Bambuli to town, I don't know where, from no.
Is it a belief, guys? It's a kind of a belief that mostly actually other communities don't eat what you call like chicken. Some of the communities in Africa, like in Uganda, there's some community that they can't eat chicken. They believe if you eat chicken, you just start flying like chicken, and also you become, most of the men are not supposed to eat chicken because they'll be moving from one lady to another lady like a hen.
No, they're not supposed to eat legs.
Other communities, you're not supposed to eat legs. The reason being, if a lady eats legs, she'll be flitting from one point to another, just should be walking anyhowly. In other communities, men are not supposed to eat head totally. In my community where I come from, if you slaughter chicken like this, I don't give a man the bam bam and the gizzard, then that means that you have demeaned him to that's the most degradation. How can you say? Like, you have just put him and you have undermined him if you don't give him the chicken gizzard. So it's definitely like we are learning. So let me also know at the comment section, does your community allow you to eat chicken? And also, does your community, what part of the chicken are you allowed to eat or to squander? Like us, it's crazy. Like me, I'm the head of this family, so all gizzards will be on me.
We will share.
All gizzards will be on me. I used to admire my dad when they slaughter chicken, and he's given the gizzard, and you hear him doing what we call like chewing it, like it's like cartilage. So the moment you chew it, it produces some kind of a sound that actually makes you feel like you can also chew the gizzard. But now I used to admire him, like, when will I be big also, me on my own family, so that I can eat the gizzard. So here are the gizzards. Gizzard, chicken gizzard, ikibundwi. Sasa mimi ndo naongea kwa imujiza, mimi nakula kibundwi. Mzee, tuko na kibundwi. It looks like a bean. How do you call this in your language? With us we call them kibundwi. Firigisi in Swahili. In English, firigisi. Firigisi ni kidney.
Kidney ni figo.
Oh, figo. Oh, figo is kidney. Firigisi is gizzard. Why is Swahili not on my side right now? But anyway, let's enjoy this. It's a Friday. Enjoy your Friday and enjoy your happy Valentine. See you. So guys, we have our chicken over here. Wanna just wash it a little bit, then it should be better for us to cook it, to boil it. Definitely. Wash that. It would be better for us to just put a lot of water, then wash it. Because instead of you don't have what we call like how do you call it? Cooker, a pressure cooker. We don't have a pressure cooker, so it's better for us to wash this slowly. And then we do what we call like we boil it. Sorry guys.
Yay!
So we are putting it slowly by slowly.
Add salt.
We add salt here.
Yes.
Now. So we have to add salt according to how my sister just said. It's Valentine. Virunga. So I need chicken soup. So by that we leave it. The moment you leave it this way, you leave it for a couple of minutes or hours. No, half an hour. Then it should be better and okay. So we'll be able to prepare chicken soup and maybe pilau. Alright. Guys, our chicken is already ready. Now we want to check the what we call like the soup and everything. And then my sister can prepare what we call like rice or pilau. She promised she want to prepare pilau. And then it would be bambucha. Yeah, so let's wait and see how everything is. I want to transfer them in here, and then we want to have the soup. Alright? Alright guys, see you. Somebody decided to go and change and become somebody's Valentine. What is this Christ with me, guys?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine. Somebody's Valentine. Where are you going?
I'm just here. I'm not doing
No
anything.
boyfriend? Oh yeah, Jesus Christ. Let me enjoy the chicken soup, guys. I'm having some chicken soup. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. This is the best thing being around what people like. Hey, I'm recording. Please kindly. Being around my wife. Where? Advantages of taking chicken soup. Your skin looks glowing. It's like anti-aging. So I'm heading to the shop to go pick some ingredients for pilau. They say they want rice, they want pilau. So let me head to the supermarket to check on ingredients. Alright. You said you are going to have what and what?
Pilau, garlic. Like what you're supposed to buy?
Yes, what I'm supposed to buy.
Garlic, ginger. I don't know if she uses ginger.
We use ginger,
Tomato paste.
tomato paste, and whatever.
Tomato paste. Hoho.
Hoho.
Carrots.
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 Oh my God, will I even remember? Make a call.
Not write them down.
Make a call.
Maybe write them down.
No, maybe you make a call. Guys, I'm heading out and I'm just, hey, it's very hot out there. I don't know if you have idea, any idea.
Do you have soda?
Do you know if you have any idea here, guys? Oh my God, it's very hot. But let's just go. Maybe check. Okay. Guys, they have sent me out to go look for pilau ingredients because they are afraid of the sun. Sun is so heavy and so then it has some intensive heat. It's very, very, so let's head down and you'll be seeing how it is. So let's go down to the roof, we check how everything is, then we'll be preparing this for us. Yeah, I'll be showing you how to prepare rice or pilau for the first time. All right. Yes, guys, it's so hot out here. Very hot. Oh my God. So sunny. So sunny, even people are just afraid to get out. Let's just do our small shopping, then we will be heading out. Okay, all right, so let's go. Just running. just start with okay. You know, mostly I always try to do something with the ingredients, then we literally check for this curry powder, garlic powder. Hi, Sasa. I'm looking for pilau ingredients.
Pilau ingredients.
Yes.
You find them here.
Alright.
You want the powder or the whole one?
I want the whole one. It can be also in powder, like?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah, pilau masala. You give me the powder, like the powder one.
Powder?
Yeah.
How many grams would you like?
Just like less than 50.
Maybe less than 150 grams.
Okay. Okay. Whatever else, what else do we have? This is pilau masala, right?
Yeah.
Binzari? You have binzari?
Yeah, we have both powder and the whole one. I don't know which one you like.
The powder one.
Powder.
Yeah, powder will be better.
Okay. 50 grams also.
Yeah. That will be better. And also, what else? I'm not good at pilau, but anyway, just try and see. I've just been sent sauce yui. The Ethiopian spices, charcoal, cloves. Okay, I think this will be better. Curry powder, coriander, also ginger. Should be less than that, okay? Yeah. Alright, I think this will be better. Okay, this is better, okay? So let's try also check what we have again on the side. So we tried to have this. What else? What else? Oh, my mind is going on off carrot. So this one I'll have to have carrot. And these ones, yeah. So let's just have this, just a small shopping for this, and then we'll head where we are heading. So let's also see. I was told to have this one. I just buy them outside. I just buy them outside. So what else? A juice. Something like that. So then something like this. Okay. Not too much. This is better. So let's line up and then we see. So I'm just done, and now it's happy Valentine to everyone. And now we will be heading home with our big surprise. So I wanna just do a small shopping over here from this other end for the grocery area. Safi basi. Ngapi ngapi hiyo? Ngapi ngapi? Iko wapi? Naomba hiyo gamia 3. Naomba gamia 3. So guys, I have to buy to promote flowers, you know. It's Valentine time. Unaongea Valentine.
Valentine.
Okay.
Valentine wapenda nao, wapendani wanachukua wananunua.
Ni kweli tu.
Unanunua hata mwenye alikuwa to break. Anajua bado nampenda.
I think guys saying that even for the guy who just did what you call like heartbreak of the JK number. So yeah, it's Valentine time for everyone. And, happy Valentine for everyone. And then we'll see how everything is. It's saying that even if you had a heartbreak, you just decide to buy flowers for those who are broken. So let's go and check how everybody is. All right. So let me have my popcorn. Mambo. Oh, shingapi. It is 10.
How much?
It is a 30. And this is tomato paste. Nauzaje? 120. Okay. So let me try have this. What else? What else was I having? Mna binzari? Huh? Ah, it's okay. Nauzaje? Huh? I think it's a 50. 50. So I think that would be okay. Sikuna lipa na M-Pesa? Sikuna lipa na M-Pesa? Maybe. Here. So let's try and see. So oh, kichwa kiko sijui wapi kinaruka ruka. Asante. I just forgot to pick on my cap scams. So there's a heavy traffic. But anyway, hamuoni ni lana jamani? Hamuoni mbele huko kumeandikwa lana? Itabidi mmehurumia. So I wanna just pick my motorbike from this side. I wanna check how it is. So let me just fix on my motorbike, then we head over. Day. Actually, it's so hot out here, very hot and sunny. So I have a surprise for them. We are back. That's what I bought. Valentine gum. And of course, I have this for you.
Thank you.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Valentine gum.
Wow, thank you.
Also, surprise.
You. I love it.
Ah.
Oh my god. Is it a real one?
No, not real one.
It's a fake one.
It's fake one.
Oh my god.
Today you could have not. You could. Hey, today in this house it couldn't be settled without flowers.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah. Or you wanted this? Let me show you. You have two. We have two. So whichever you love. This one for Fel and also for Sheila.
For Sheila as well.
Yeah. So which one do you love? This one or this one?
Well, I don't know. What was your plan when you're picking?
May I just pick this and this so that you can check which do you love. We have this one. And we have this one. But this one is written, so I can give you this. Roll. Soft and beautiful as rose petals. Your
Where
love
did you get
is
this
my...
from?
Huh?
Along the road.
Alongside the neighbors.
Okay.
Seems that you don't appreciate this.
I
You still have two ways to choose. Which we want
well,
to...
I don't know. I mean, the one you gave me is what I'll take.
Okay.
The other ones you can give out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you. Though
No hug.
No, it's fake, but then I'll me.
Ingredients there. I've bought them. Yeah, all ingredients are here. Here we have I don't know. But it's all pilau. As long as it's eaten pilau, it's for you. You enjoy, okay?
Okay, let me prepare lunch for you.
Okay, guys, let's wait and see. And also, the other day we were trying to do what we call like to put. Oh, you took all my. We were trying to do what we call like some popsicles. We tried to do some popsicle, mango popsicles, but this is what you came up with. So they just changed them to be this way. Like, yeah, it's like this. We were trying to put mango popsicles. They actually came out nicely, but I mean, I wanted the juice, so we have to wait for it to melt a little bit. Then you have to see what you have. But for me, let me quench the thirst with Coca-Cola. So here it's boiling of some ingredients. Eh? We have here tomato. Oh, Christ. Excuse me. We have here carrot and some onions. I want to put some tomato paste, and everything is okay with our beautiful chef the Valentinino. The Valentinino.
Hey, I've already received it.
The Valentinino. Hey. Alright, okay. Fine and great. Hey. Okay, Valentinino. Okay. Tell us, the ingredient was tomato paste.
Yeah,
And now?
tomato paste,
And now you just
onions,
now we
yeah,
added
carrots, yeah, green pepper, pilau masala, ginger, garlic, thyme.
now it smells like Indian food. Oh my god. Now it smells like Indian food. Wow. This is typical Indian food now. Alale. Salale. It's a lot of that pepper. Alale. Now there comes our pilau. There comes our pilau, guys.
So we add hot water for it to boil for some minutes, then it will be ready.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, we have our best pilau there, and chicken, can call it chicken curry in our Valentine Day or Valentine's Day. Hey babe, post that. Yeah, and Valentine's Day, and the Valentine girl, she's here. Yeah, she cooked, and yeah, that's how we are doing it over here. So let us know in the comment section. So it's time for serving, so that we can serve. And also my sister-in-law, she's not around, she has gone in town, so we will serve to my wife for the people who are around, and then we wanna wait for the, also there's a friend of mine who was to come. Let me give him a call. If he's not coming again, we can just eat this on our own. All right, so let's wait on this. Then I'm also welcoming you all, for those who maybe missed this Valentine Day,
To come and enjoy this very and tasty food that I've prepared.
Absolutely, guys. So we are waiting for you all to come and enjoy with us this Valentine. So it's time to serve, and she will be serving us the special day. Are you eating now? No.
Yes, I will.
You will eat now. Okay. So your platter. Alright, you can put it over here as we are doing this. Sorry guys for the cocorito. Then I pass by what you call like pass by the chicken in. Huh? Is it even okay? I think the other one I passed the chicken in. Mi amor, amigo. Good for your sister-in-law. That's enough, I think. Where is the bamba? Little this for make it chilini. For yours. Put it off. Put that off. No, which has beef and meat.
But you can use a spoon, like a serving spoon. Yeah.
Right, guys, systematically.
Well, I believe that wine should be a vacation. Or should I say holiday?
Where is the other?
Is this the official label for all of Montana?
Wacha kule.
I think so. Yeah, Felix would know.
Yeah.
It's called Vaughn Family Wine.
Now put that serve her. Okay, I'll serve her. Just put that. Don't worry. I love it. But you? Did you also eat this?
No, we leave that back.
The back. Okay.
Hey, last night,
Me, I love the gizzard. That maybe she's with it.
Actually, no. Don't tell me.
it's too late.
Oh, they are three of them.
You
Okay.
said I seen one.
Yes.
So,
Ready, house?
that's nice. Where's the
Yeah, I always
gizzard? Gizzardani.
most women don't like
We did that at the night, right? Okay. Your plate.
It's not the thing that part of it.
No worry.
Not
No, you should just have. Let me just put the spoons.
You know, my mum do I promise I'd be better.
Also this. So we have this. The tomato symbolizes what we call like Valentine. Hey, there she is. Yay, we threw up a big party. Babe, come you see. Come, stand here, Faye. Come you see. Hey.
Who decorated it?
Her.
She.
She, her.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me stretch a bit.
Hey, you know, stretch. You could have put this inside so you could want to have a better thumbnail.
No.
Want to have a better thumbnail. Take that off. Take that off. So, that's you. And welcome near. Hey, and now, that's your best. Let us have a very nice thumbnail.
This coming?
Yay!
Thank you.
Alright, so this is your food.
Okay, thank you.
And under the courtesy of Valentinino and Siggiogino.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
We have a lot of food, guys.
A
You
lot
can,
of
you
food.
can drop by.
and our sister-in-law, she's not around.
She's not around.
She has
She'll
gone in
come
town,
later.
and then she'll come later again so we can celebrate. And also, if you're watching this, come. The food is still plenty.
Plenty of food.
Plenty of food.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much for this.
Bon appetit. You can just enjoy a little bit and then we see.
Okay.
What do you want? Which type of soda? Or milk? Ribena?
Ribena.
Ribena? Okay, let me. Your wish is my command, or your command is my wish. How do they say?
Hi guys. And tomato sauce.
Hey.
Truly grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome. And also, let's check. What else?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Yeah, I wish you had hot and sweet, but you don't.
Let's check. With me, I have that way. Sis, what do you want to take? Would you like to take? No. Okay. You say tomato?
Tomato sauce.
Not even soy sauce. So guys, cheers.
It wasn't cold.
Happy Valentine. Happy Valentino. Yeah. Alright.
Thank you so much.
And also with this here.
He was pissed off that I said this was what.
It was so local. Huh?
But they not this like I know, but it's the thought that counts.
It's the flower.
It's
the
the
red.
thought that counts.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's
Thank you.
enjoy our food and we see.
Yeah.
Like me, I just want to sit down like this
And eat and eat.
and then put food like this. Huh? And then put this down here. And then say away.
Munch.
Mm. Mm. Very full as a fool.
Your stomach is protruding.
Thank God for the food actually. What? Alhamdulillah. Thank you God for this great food. And also
It was delicious. It was nice. I've enjoyed. Thank you so much for
time
the
to
treat.
wash. You're welcome. Don't worry. As long as I'm around, everything will be much okay. So guys, I just wanna wash the utensils a little bit because I don't want just them to be anyhow, and that will be the best way, because if I leave them nobody will wash them right now, because my sister-in-law is not around. She's not around definitely, and Phil, she's tired right now, so I rather wash them on my own. As we conclude this video, as also we say thank you for your love and for your great time up to now. The moment you have been watching our videos, it really gives us a very nice, the more you watch our videos and not skipping the ads, the more views we get, and sometimes we get there something to keep up our family, So also let me know in the comment section, how have you celebrated your Valentine time? For those who haven't celebrated, I'm sorry for it. Maybe one day we'll also celebrate. And also for those who say, what's it? Others celebrate. Even me, I'm just going with the, with the situations. Because there are those who will be like, no, I'm not celebrating. And those who are like, I must. It's a must. To some, it's a must. To some people, it's not a must. And to others, maybe others are crying. Some have been heartbroken. I'm really sorry for you. But I know there's a time also you will really be at that position where you will be enjoying your Valentine. And every time, you always say every situation has its own time. So don't worry. Every little thing will be alright. Just take it as a little thing for now, because it will reach a point where you see it as a very nice time also. So let me conclude and we call it a day. You see already the day has already ended, and it's just a matter of one day, but of course I'm not trying to encourage you in a bad way, but just take heart. Know that everything will be okay. Valentine, I see you. You're welcome. Bring that plate here, I wash. So yeah, that's how things work. Not everything works smoothly as you expect, but every little thing, as I've said, every little thing will be alright. Because don't always cry and say, oh, this happened this way. There are those who are wished, even they wish in their life they could be alive, but they never made it to be alive. So it's better we cherish life rather than crying about Valentine. Really? If my baby could have started crying like, oh, I want you to take me somewhere, oh, and I'm not financially stable, I could have stepped big strides back to the village and leave her here with the Valentine. But I can't do that, of course. We could have just fixed it as a mature bit, you know. All right, guys. What can you say, Felice? Hey, the Watanino is Valentonino. You okay? You alright?
I'm fine. I appreciate.
Okay.
I'm full.
You're full.
Yeah.
You're full.
Yeah.
You're a fool.
No.
You're
I'm
full.
full.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Then.
Guys, thank you so much. May you continue to support my brother here. Supporting him. When you support him, he also supports me. Yeah. And as you can see, he really helps us here. Washing, like he is washing utensils, he cooks. Like he can also do all the chores in the house, guys. So I just thank the Almighty God having a nice brother like him.
Am I nice?
Yeah, and good.
I'm not strict. Huh?
At some point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. Okay, nice having you, and be blessed also. Abebo,
Bye.
wave.
Bye guys, thank you so much, and thank you for the treat, Feli and you for cooking for me today. I felt special. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, so ensure to subscribe, like, and of course, if you like that video, you know then I just poured everything down, but I just pick it up. I don't know, I thought it was locked. I just want to pick them. Those are the ingredients. So be blessed all, guys. Remember, it's road to 30,000 subscribers, and by that time you'll be subscribing. Please ensure you like and you leave a comment. Today is that day that you feel like, hey guys, please let me subscribe to this guy, and I will appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and the day has really ended well, and happy Valentine's to you all, and be blessed. Bye bye for now. Feel free to subscribe, like. I wish you all the best Nino in the world. Alright, guys. I'm fixing this. Whoosh, whoosh.